Delhart Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1235 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 6. Mist. Sky condition clear. Temperature 12 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3028. Remarks. Density altitude 4,200.
Dalhart traffic experimental 8 Lima November is departing the area to the east. Dalhart. Hello everybody, welcome to day 3 of this trip. Hopefully I'll be able to finish it up today. So the plan is I need to get to my aunt and uncle's house, and I'm going to stay there till the fly-in starts. So that's the plan. I might have to hold for weather over in Wichita a little bit, but hey, got to do what you got to do, right? So much better than flying yesterday. Yesterday I just got completely smoked. It was just bouncy and burbly and just no fun whatsoever. Today, got up early, smooth as silk. Everything's in the green, looking great. Liberal traffic from LA, November, turning left base, runway 17 full stop. Liberal. Liberal traffic, experimental 8 November's back taxiing runway 17, Liberal. Liberal traffic, experimental 8 November is turning left crosswind, departing the area to the east. Liberal. Alright everybody, so I'm on my way to Stearman Field right now at 5,500, and it should be about another hour and a half before I get there. So I've been cruising now for about, I don't know, about 35 minutes. Not too bad. Today I'm making a lot better speed because I'm actually laying into it because it was smooth air. So yesterday it was just so bumpy, I was trying to keep my true airspeed below VA, which in this plane is 91 knots. Today, nice, glassy, smooth. I've been up, most of the time I've been up around 100 knots the whole time, so true airspeed. It's been kind of nice. Ground speed's been around 96 to 112, just depending on how the winds are doing. So anyway, it's been a good flight so far, and I'll catch you guys when I'm getting ready to land at Stearman Field. 1, 2, 5.
Well everybody, the rest of my batteries are dead, so just have to take my word for it. It's going to be an interesting flight. I might take some film off my camera, on my cell phone, but here we go, last couple legs. So everybody, hope you enjoyed that trip. I'm going to be heading out to Zenith here in the next day or two, and maybe I'll have a video of what's going on out there, maybe just a quick clip. Then it's going to be for time for the ride back. Anyways, catch you guys next time.